guys, welcome back to Saneli F channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel, guys. We are talking about Dumi Mkokstad and his wife, Dr. Nzimande. Guys, the couple is still in love as they were the day they got married, guys. They've been married for 5 months now, and they decided to celebrate this milestone, guys. Most people celebrate after a year or more, but Dumi and Dr. Nkosi decided to celebrate their love every day, guys. Nkosi took to the social media to share a short video of their time together. We would love to wish them a happy 5-month anniversary and wish them all the best, guys. Love is kind and beautiful. If you love them, leave your comment below, guys, and share your thoughts. Bye.